here today, we're installing our SkyPoly Hercules system, and we're going to talk to you guys today about the 5 features that make this Hercules system so incredible. Let's get into it. So the first feature about our SkyPoly Hercules system is the material itself. There's 4 walls of polycarbonate. So not 1 wall, not 2 or 3, but 4 walls. It's quadruple walls. So this is going to create incredible impact resistance. Thermal insulation rating is going to be extremely high, and it diffuses 70 to 80% of the rays from the sun. So the next feature that makes our SkyPoly Hercules system so amazing is the fact that it is fastened by a clip system. So we've got a stainless clip system that fastens underneath the pergola cover. So you actually have absolutely no screws whatsoever that ever penetrate the sheet. And this is fantastic because you're never going to have any leakage through the system because of it. So here's our clip right here. Check it out. We've got it right down this seam. Here's our clip right down this standing seam. So, you know, every 36 inches or less, we put this clip, and this is how the entire system is going to be fastened and secured to your pergola. And so it's just the ultimate way. No more screws penetrating the sheet. This is a big deal because where there are screws penetrating the sheet, you get leaks. So the next feature about our SkyPoly Hercules system is the fact that it's a standing seam roofing system. So the seams come together and they stand up just like this right here. Here's where you got your standing seam. And because of the standing seam, you're never gonna get any leak because we got a slope on this thing. And then a cap right here, we've got a cap that snaps in on top of that. Makes it extremely unique, better than any other roofing system out there for any pergola. So the next feature that is so unique about our SkyPoly Hercules system are our flute covers. So our flute covers go over the flutes on the front and the back of the pergola. And these are notched out. They've got a weep hole in the bottom, and then they're powder coated the same color as the system itself. And so this makes for an unbelievable look whenever it's all done. You know, it really finishes off the system an incredible look. So the 5th and last feature of our SkyPoly Hercules system is the fact that it's 2 foot wide. So this makes it extremely rigid, and it's really easy to handle. You know, it's easy to throw it in your truck. It's easy to get up on the pergola. It's easier to trim it. You know, that 2 foot wide sheet just makes life easier. So those are the top 5 features of our SkyPoly Hercules system. Hit us up at pergolacover.com or coveryourpergola.com. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, we're on all the sites. We'd love to hear more. We'd love to talk to you about our SkyPoly Hercules system.